Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to delete block number on Android. So open your call log contacts. So go to the settings on the right corner on the top. So open the settings of call logs. So keep carefully see. So scroll down to blocked numbers. You click to block numbers. So there is harassment filter and the blacklisted number are sevens. So you click to the sevens and you will be choice of delete it all or one by one. So this is how to delete block number on Android. You can choose of your choice. So this is the reason. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.